In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes on Miro in just 5 minutes. Miro is a fantastic collaborative online tool that's perfect for creating mind maps, project plans, and a host of other creative applications. Whether you're working with a team or organizing your personal projects, knowing how to efficiently add sticky notes can significantly enhance your productivity. So, let's jump right in and learn how to make the most of this feature. First, you'll want to navigate to the Miro website. Open your preferred web browser and type miro.com into the address bar. Once you've reached the home page, you should see the login option prominently displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login to access your account. If you don't have one yet, there's an option to sign up, but for our purposes, we'll proceed with logging in. Next, you're going to click on Google to log in using your Google account. This is a convenient option since it allows for a quick login process without the need to remember additional passwords. Select the Google account you wish to use. If your Miro account isn't linked to your Google account yet, you may need to provide a password or follow some quick setup steps, but usually a simple click will suffice. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your board. After you've logged in, you'll typically land on your dashboard, where all your boards are displayed. Find the board you want to work on and open it. This will bring up your workspace, where you'll be able to implement today's lesson. Within the board view, look for the sticky note tool. Usually, it's located in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. The sticky note is an essential tool for jotting down quick thoughts, organizing ideas, or visually breaking down complex workflows on your board. Click on the sticky note icon, which will activate the tool for you to use. Once the sticky note tool is active, you'll see a variety of color options. Choose a color that suits your style or preference. Miro allows you to color code your notes, which can be incredibly helpful for categorizing ideas or distinguishing different topics at a glance. Simply click on the color of your choice to apply it to your sticky note. With the color set, it's time to add your sticky note to the board. Click anywhere on the board where you'd like the note to appear, and that's it. Your sticky note will be placed there. You can start typing immediately to add the content you need. Feel free to move the sticky note around by clicking and dragging it to the desired location, ensuring your board remains organized and visually clear. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add sticky notes in Miro. Make sure to explore other features within Miro to further enhance your creativity and productivity. Until next time, good luck with your projects.